Hi, today I'm going to show you how to easily and cheaply restore your Beats Solo headphones, which after this tutorial will look like new and last just as long. Today I'll show you how to replace Beats Solo 2.0 or 3.0 earpads cushions at home. To do this task yourself, you need to purchase the appropriate Beats Solo wireless headphones earpad replacement cushions on eBay, Amazon, or Aliexpress beforehand. The color is your choice. You can put the original one you already had, or you can choose another color. Once you get the replacement earpads, I'll show you how easy it is to remove and put back the new earpad cushions on Beats headphones. Take a flat screwdriver or kitchen knife and push it in along the edge to rip off the earpad. The key is to do it slowly, without damaging anything. Do the same with the other earpad. But when using the knife or screwdriver, be careful not to damage the speaker. For the new replacement Beats earpads, take off the double-sided tape protector. But remember, when you put the pad on the headphones, you need to put it on the pins on the headphones. This will ensure that the earpads do not twist or slip lower over time. The pins will keep it centered. Once the earpads is in place, tap it a few times to get it to stick better. Then do the same with the other ear cushion. Just remember that one earpad is meant for the headphones side with the charger socket, and the other earpad is for the side without it. The seam should be down, and then you just put the pad on the pins and press it in. That's it. Congratulations! You solved your broken Beats earpad cushion issue at home by yourself. Now your headphones will be like new again. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you liked and want to see many useful money-saving DIY videos about headphones. Bye and long life for your headphones!